Good morning. That was how? Yeah, I'm back.
You want to vlog?
Yeah.
Show them what we're doing. What are we doing?
Coloring.
Coloring. And we're going to do these color by numbers. We got, what color? Riker, look. What color is this?
Blue.
Good boy. What color is this?
Black.
Green.
Green.
Gray.
Gray.
Black.
Black.
Orange.
Orange.
Yellow.
Willow.
Color the number 5s. Good boy. Look at you go. Woohoo! We're coloring the moon. What do you think this picture is going to be?
Me.
It's going to be you?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I see some bat faces on there.
I think I know what it's going to be.
I think I see some bat faces. This little girl has been screaming her head off all day. This is like the first 2 minutes she's been happy. And that's why I haven't started the vlog until now, because she is miserable, you guys. Her teeth are making her a monster, and I'm not kidding. She's probably turning into a vampire baby. Screaming all day. I told Kirk he's got to put up her crib because I have not been able to do anything today without holding her, except for right now is like the first time. And we're getting ready to leave, so I need to go put on my makeup. I was hoping Riker would sit down and color with Madeline while she's doing her schoolwork, but he doesn't seem that interested. Alright, you guys, we are on our way to the appointment.
So to pinpoint the hearing, we want to look more at when you're talking, when you're singing, when the dog barks, when somebody opens the door, when you're prepping food in the kitchen. When you're doing stuff that's interesting to her, is she turning around? Is she watching you? Is she paying attention?
Hadley, you did so good, girl. Yeah. Did you show tubers your hair? Come here. So cute. Just look straight. There you go. It's a little bit messy now, but it looks cute still.
We're at Smash Burger. Seriously, best cheeseburger in the world. So good. Michael, wait for Mama. And are you excited?
Don't do that.
Are you excited for Smash Burger?
I'm hungry.
Michael, are you excited for Smash Burger? Yeah. Smash Burger.
Look at that milkshake.
We got our Smash Burger. Okay, hey guys, so we're about to walk into this thing. I'm chasing Michael right now because he's being a stink butt.
flavors I like.
Did Daddy give you one, Hattie?
No.
Say, give me a bite of one, Daddy.
This is the...
Look at that face. Let's see what she does. Let's see. What do you think of your first gummy bear? I mean, jelly bean. Mommy's brain can't think of the words. Oh, look at the drool. Is it good? Does that make a teething day so much sweeter? What do you think, Hattie?
Riker, come here.
Alright, you guys. So we are headed back to the house. Kirk just ran back inside the chocolate factory because he realized we forgot to get Kylie what we were going to get Kylie. So Maddie got a 3 giant marshmallow triple stack dipped white milk and dark chocolate marshmallow stick.
Do you want me to show
Riker got a white chocolate ghost. Is it good? Do you like white chocolate?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, show 'em.
Excuse me, I just burped. That's gross, you guys. I don't like white chocolate. I'm not a white chocolate fan, but...
Can I have a sip of that water?
Yeah, you can have it.
Thank you.
Share it with Reiki. So, you guys want to see what's inside my chocolate box? I'll show you. We got Natalie this piece of chocolate covered bacon because she's obsessed with bacon. You guys already know that. So we'll see how she likes that. It's kind of expensive. Oh, Kurt got this. I think it's like a caramel or something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
That's like a gourmet caramel.
A gourmet caramel.